Jerome Joseph. I'm live in Jakarta. I'm here working with a global MNC. So I'm very excited because today we are here doing a brand strategy workshop. And I want to leave you with some ideas for what you can do when you plan your own brand strategy planning. Number one, advanced planning is key. Please ensure that everyone that's attending this workshop has a clear idea of the agenda and comes prepared. There's nothing like doing a workshop without preparation. So preparation is key and it's going to save you a lot of time. Number two, very important, you have to create an environment where people can have fun, where people can engage. If you look around the room down here, you will see we have done a few things. We have posters, banners, flip charts, markers, we've had food, drinks. We create an environment where learning and engagement and participation is very important. Which brings me to point number three, drive engagement. Remember, whoever is going to be in the room has to be engaged. They have to participate. I always tell this when I do the workshop. I don't own the brand, you do. Take complete ownership of your brand, get involved in this journey, and build world-class brands. Number four, always ask this question: what went well and what could be done better? Keep asking the why, because when you ask the why, it will help you get to the how. My name is Jerome Joseph, and I wish you success in building your world-class brand. Live from Jakarta.